In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Double with Canva to streamline your graphic design projects and create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're a designer or simply someone looking to enhance your presentations, this guide will help you leverage these powerful tools to maximize efficiency and creativity. To start off, head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, take a moment to think about the kind of design you're aiming for. You might have a specific vision in mind, or perhaps you'll decide to explore various templates available on Canva. Search for your desired design and take some time to explore the options. Depending on your project needs, you might find templates that cater directly to your style, saving you the groundwork required to build from scratch. Next, locate the Apps button on the left. This feature is your gateway to incorporating additional functionalities and integrating plugins that can elevate your design process. It's an essential step to expanding Canva's capabilities, so don't overlook it as you gear up to customize your project. As you scroll down through the panel, find and click on Bulk Create. This feature is a game changer if you need to produce multiple designs rapidly. It allows you to input data in bulk, which is especially handy when working with larger projects or repeating similar design formats. You'll have the option to either enter your information manually or upload a CSV file. If you're comfortable with spreadsheets, importing a CSV can save you a significant amount of time and ensure consistency across your project. Simply upload the file and then select Data manually to manage the specifics of your data entry within Canva. Upon uploading your data, look at the columns presented. You may need to delete any supplementary columns that aren't needed. Keeping your workspace organized is crucial, so ensure only the pertinent information remains before proceeding. Paste your desired text into the available space and ensure everything reflects accurately on your canvas. Now it's time to link your data with the design elements. Right-click on any element you wish to connect, then click Connect Data. This step integrates your inputted information with the chosen design components, streamlining the generation process for multiple designs or pages based on your data. With your data connected, click on Name to ensure that the proper fields are linked to their respective elements. This verification step is crucial to maintaining data integrity across all designs. Adjust the text as necessary to fit the design aesthetic and contain all crucial elements in view. When satisfied, proceed by clicking Continue. This action processes the information, preparing your designs for finalization. Click Generate Pages to see your hard work come to fruition. This will systematically produce each page based on the data and design configuration you've set up. Finally, to share your creations, click the Share button and proceed to download. Ensure you select all pages if your project is multi-page. By using this guide, you'll efficiently manage and innovate your design projects using Double and Canva.